You're watching Tap Tech, where we cut the noise and bring you straight into the world of the most exciting tech. If you've been waiting for a camera that can truly change the way you capture every moment around you, the DJI Osmo 360 might be the one. Stick around, because what this small powerhouse packs inside could surprise you. The Osmo 360 is DJI's latest step in merging its stabilization expertise with full 360-degree video capture. DJI has been known for drones and gimbals, but now they're bringing that skill into a camera that promises immersive content. People have wanted a reliable, easy-to-use 360 camera without losing image quality, and DJI claims this delivers. But is it really worth it? Let's dive in. The Osmo 360 comes with dual 1-inch sensors, far larger than most 360 cameras. Each lens can shoot up to 8K 360 video at 30 frames per second, or 6K at 60 frames per second for smoother action. Photos go up to 72 megapixels, giving sharp and detailed panoramas. HDR video is supported, and raw image capture is available for professionals. Stabilization is powered by DJI's Rocksteady 3.0, paired with horizon leveling that keeps your footage upright even with movement. It also supports 10-bit color, richer tones, and better post-production flexibility. Video can be recorded in H.265 for smaller files without losing too much detail. For live streaming, it outputs 4K 360 directly to YouTube or Facebook with low latency. DJI also included 5 microphones for spatial audio, letting sound match the full 360-degree experience. Design matters as much as performance, and DJI gave the Osmo 360 a solid build. The body mixes lightweight aluminum alloy with reinforced polycarbonate. It feels premium but portable. The lenses are slightly raised yet protected with sapphire glass, helping reduce scratches. It's water-resistant up to 10 meters, and with a case can go to 30 meters, making it suitable for diving and underwater shots. Ergonomics are simple and practical. The curved body fits in your hand, and the record button is well placed. A 2-inch OLED touchscreen sits at the back, bright enough for outdoor use and responsive to touch. It won't replace a full monitor, but it's enough for framing and quick checks. Gesture controls let you record without pressing buttons, which helps for self-shooting. And the DJI Mimo app expands control with editing tools and remote operation. Performance is where the Osmo 360 shines. Thanks to its large sensors, low-light performance is better than most rivals. Night shots keep good detail and reduced noise. Daytime footage is crisp, and colors look balanced and natural. 8K video allows cropping and reframing while keeping clarity. Fast action like biking or running looks smooth with stabilization, showing DJI's gimbal experience built into the system. Software adds more convenience. The DJI Mimo app stitches 360 footage automatically, and AI editing tools let you reframe into flat videos for social media. It can track faces, recognize landscapes, and follow action, saving creators time. You can export in vertical or square formats for TikTok, Instagram, or Shorts with ease. Special modes like hyperlapse, slow motion, and auto templates bring creativity even to quick edits. Battery life is decent for this type of camera. It uses a 2,500 mAh removable battery, lasting about 110 minutes at 6K, or around 75 minutes at 8K. Charging is fast with 30W USB-C, reaching 80% in under 40 minutes. DJI's optional charging hub doubles as a power bank, keeping multiple batteries ready for longer sessions. For creative performance, the Osmo 360 unlocks new ways to tell stories. Strapping it to a drone, placing it at the center of action, or capturing VR content is easy. The 8K resolution ensures footage looks sharp even in VR headsets. Live streaming in 360 makes it valuable for creators who want immersive experiences for their audiences. Audio is another highlight. With 5 microphones, spatial audio recording captures direction and depth. Voices are clear, and wind reduction works well enough. For more control, external mics can connect through USB-C, making it flexible for professional use. Connectivity is strong. The Osmo 360 supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C for data and charging. File transfer is quick, and external SSD recording is supported for handling massive 8K files. It also supports RTMP live streaming directly, so you can broadcast live 360 events without extra gear. The price sits at around $799. It's higher than casual 360 cameras but far cheaper than pro models. Considering the 8K capture, stabilization, large sensors, spatial audio, and live streaming, it offers excellent value for both serious hobbyists and professionals. Looking at pros and cons, the Osmo 360 delivers outstanding image quality, smooth stabilization, solid build, and great audio. The app is intuitive, and editing is fast. On the downside, battery life could be longer, raised lenses remain vulnerable despite protection, and for casual users, the $799 price might still feel steep. The verdict? The DJI Osmo 360 is one of the best 360 cameras you can buy today. It combines high-end hardware with simple software, making it powerful yet user-friendly. If you're a creator, traveler, or someone exploring VR and immersive storytelling, this camera is worth serious consideration. It's not perfect, but it raises the standard for what a 360 camera can achieve. And here's something to think about: once you film with a 360 camera like this, traditional cameras suddenly feel limited. Being able to capture everything around you changes your perspective on storytelling completely. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we bring you the truth about the gear that matters. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to stick around, because the next device we're testing could shift the game yet again.